Okay, let's take a look at our first example on this linear inequalities models. Now, generally, when you're solving systems of linear inequalities problem, you always look at the conditional statements that you need to formulate. So let's take a good look at example one, and then we will, as you read the question, you need to kind of put down some of the conditions that will help you find the right answer. So let's move. Josh is taking an exam to become a lifeguard in a community swimming pool. The exam consists of 8 essay questions and 70 short questions. Josh has 75 minutes to take the exam, and he does not have to answer all the questions but must answer at least 5 essay questions. So for now, let's assume that we come back. Well, let's keep moving, and at least 60 short questions. An essay question take 10 minutes to answer, and a short question take 3 minutes. If X and Y respectively represent the number of essay and short questions, so here we are told that X actually represent essay questions, right? And then Y represent uh, short questions. Okay, so X represent essay questions and Y represent question. And when we go back to the problem, it says we need to answer at least 5 essay questions. That means this condition X has to be greater or equal to 5. That has to be true. We also have to answer at least 60 short questions. That means Y has to be greater or equal to 60. These are conditional statements. They have to be true. Whatever answer you find should potentially include these ones. All right. So even from here, we can easily go back and say, well, this is wrong. Yes, potentially X has to be greater or equal to 5. So this probably may be one of my choices. Just looking at this alone, say, yeah, come back here later on. X greater. Now remember, this greater, it can be at least means it can include a 5. So this is also wrong. And then, so this is potential. So this can also be your answer. Now let's go back and check the other conditions. Now, an essay question takes 10 minutes to answer, and a short question takes 3 minutes to answer. Now, what this is saying is, remember, you have there's a condition of time. So that means if you answer if you answer X uh, uh, essay questions, that means you're going to need to spend 10 minutes to answer a short question and 3 minutes to 10 minutes to answer this. That means you're going to have to do 10x. And if you answer uh, 3 short questions, that you're going to need 3 minutes. So it's going to be 3 times y. And the total time you have is 75. So that means you have to finish or at that 75-minute mark, right? So if you answer 10 minutes to answer an essay questions take 10 minutes. Essay is X, so 10 times X plus an easy question take 3 minutes, so 3 times those easy questions. If you do 3 times Y, you need to be like this. So if you look at this condition now, you need to go find this condition. So this is 8x plus 70y. This doesn't make any sense. So obviously this is no longer valid, and therefore this is your answer choice. You remember you have 10x plus 3y has to be less or equal to 75 minutes, and then you have to answer at least 5 uh, 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 easy question, essay questions, and also 60 short questions. So this is how you interpret this and get the right answer from the choices that is given to you. All right.